Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to turn off auto snapping in CapCut, get precise placement of your clips, easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open CapCut onto your device and open the project where you want to turn off the snapping. I'm currently into a project already in here. Now, for us to be able to proceed, just go ahead and add in or import your files in here that you want to use. If you haven't done so, simply click onto the import button in here onto the upper part to proceed. So you could browse onto your different files or simply drag and drop it in here. Right after, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to highlight both of this and drag and drop it here onto the timeline. So as you can see, once you've added the two clips, it is actually bind together or it is connected. So if you drag the other one, it will go ahead and go back here onto the other clip since we have turned on snapping in here. So what we need to do in here to go ahead and turn that one off is here onto the settings in here. So we're going to tweak this. This one is the turn off main track magnet. So if you turn this one off, the track magnet would be turned off. So if you go ahead and do it just like that, it won't snap. But if that one is turned on, so if you put it like this, it should go ahead and snap your clip. So let's turn that one off. And another thing that you could do is also turn off the snapping in here. So this won't snap already in here. So as you can see, you could position the clip anywhere you want to see onto the video. And that is just how easy you could turn off snapping in CapCut to get the precise placement of your clips. And if you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.